Polar equation of conic. As we know that conics generally we consider parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Locus of the point which moves in such a way that the ratio of the distances measured from a fixed point and from a fixed line is always constant. This we have done in Cartesian system. The fixed point is called the focus and the fixed line is called the directrix. We people are habitual in Cartesian coordinate system, but we will derive the polar equation of conic. That means in terms of r and theta. The constant ratio is called the eccentricity of the conic. Any line P is the moving point and this is the fixed point S known as focus. This is the point M. This line is directrix. So by definition it is SP upon PM is positive constant and denoted by E. So SP equals to E times PM. This we know that. So if we consider focus as alpha beta, directrix AX plus BY plus C equals to 0, then equation of conic x minus alpha whole square y minus beta whole square. As you know that we have already done x plus by plus c upon under root a square plus b square whole square. This is Cartesian equation. Okay. Sometimes polar equation is easier than Cartesian equation. So this is the general equation of conic. It depends on the value of E. As we know that If a equals to 1, then it is parabola. A is less than 1, ellipse, and a is greater than 1, then this is hyperbola. We have already done the polar system of coordinates, that means in terms of r comma theta. We have done how to find the distance between 2 points in polar system. We have done how to find the area of triangle in polar system. We have done how to find the equation of line in polar system. Today we continue this one and we will find the polar equation of conic, but it is the specific case. We consider the pole of the conic. It means the focus of the conic is at the pole and the axis is along the initial line. Note down, to find the equation of conic whose focus is at pole and its axis is along the initial line. O be the pole, OX this is the initial line. This is the conic. Means parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. This is focus, other name is pole. This is the vertex. If P be the point on the conic, in which system we are doing the things? Cartesian or polar? Polar. So coordinates of P will be r comma theta. What is the other name of pole? Focus. So we join any point to focus. What is the definition of the conic? How to find the locus of P? I have just defined. What is the condition on P? The distance of P from the point. Name of the point? Focus. And distance of the point from the line. What is the name of the line? Directrix. So directrix is this one. Directrix. distance of a point from the line is always perpendicular. Let us suppose it is m. So, by definition, OP is to PM is equals to E implies OP upon PM equals to E implies OP equals to E times PM. Coordinates of P in terms of polar coordinates r comma theta. So which one is r? OP. This is r. We have already done, and this angle is theta. Let us drop the perpendicular from P on initial line. Let us suppose this point is Q, for example. This point is Q. And suppose this is N. Then OP equals to E times PM. So it is E times QN according to figure. Whenever you do mathematics, it is better to think what is given and what is required. Given, focus is given, directrix, eccentricity is E. What is required? We want to find the equation of conic, means equation of parabola, ellipse or hyperbola. Depends on the value E. If E equals to 1, then it will be parabola. Less than 1, then ellipse, and greater than 1, then hyperbola. We have done these conics in detailed, but in Cartesian coordinate system. Now we are doing how to find the conic in terms of polar. That means in terms of r and theta. So according to definition, we have written this one. We found this. OP is r. So r equals to this one. A times. Now Qn is On minus OQ. Look at the diagram, you can find the answer of this. Excuse. We consider this is equation number 1. Now look at the diagram. P is the moving point. So this P point moves on the curve, whatever it is. Let us suppose this is the chord perpendicular to axis and passing through the focus. So what is the name of this chord? That is rectum. According to figure, LOL is the lattice rectum. Of the conic. The point L is on the conic. Where is P? On the conic. So definition of conic regarding P, OP upon PN is equal to E. In the similar way, where is L lying on conic? So distance of L from O, that is OL. This is the distance of this point from the directrix. So we can write the point L is on the conic. Therefore, by definition, what will happen? OL, just like that, OL is to L. Suppose this point is A, for example. LA equals to E. So OL upon LA is equals to E. So OL equals to E times LA. Note down this. Okay. LA is equal to ON. So it is E times ON. Therefore, ON is OL upon E. Let OL equals to L. Length of the semi lattice rectum. It is this. Therefore, ON is L by E. Very important relation. Therefore, from first, we get R equals to E times ON means L by E minus OQ is R cos theta according to diagram. Apply trigonometry, we can find this. This article is important and several times it is asked in examination. Derive the polar equation of the conic. This is L minus ER cos theta implies 1 plus E cos theta equals to L implies L by R equals to 1 plus E cos theta. This is the equation. R and theta both are variable. L is fixed constant. E again constant. A is eccentricity and L length of the semi-lateral rectum. Remember, if E is 1, then it will be parabola. So L will be the length of semi-lateral rectum of the parabola. E is less than 1, then it will be ellipse. Then L will indicate the length of semi-lateral rectum of the ellipse. Okay, so it is this type of situation. Therefore, polar equation of conic is L upon R equals to 1 plus E cos theta. What is the name of this conic? Pardon? What is E? Hyperbola. What is E? 2 by 5. Very good. What is the standard equation? The right hand side is 1 plus E cos theta. Be careful. So, this is not 1. Make it 1. Then it is 1 plus 2 upon 5 cos theta. It will be this. Then this is 3 upon 5r equals to 1 plus 2 upon 5 cos theta. This is 3 upon 5 upon r equals to 1 plus 2 upon 5 cos theta. At this stage, you can compare this equation with this. This is very important. So don't look at the equation straightforward and yes, A is 2. No. Reduce it. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. So as soon as you find this type of equation, don't start dancing. Oh, E is 2. So this is greater than 1. So this is hyperbola. Not like that. Reduce it into this particular one. Now here we find 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 is less than 1. And according to that concept, it is an ellipse. And what is the length of semilateral sectum of the ellipse? It is 3 upon 5. It is not 3. Okay, so be careful. Write down this. There L is 3 upon 5 and A equals to 2 upon 5. Therefore, given conic is an ellipse. We have already done this type of example. 3 upon r equals 4 cos theta plus 5 sin theta. What does it represent? Line. You can convert it into Cartesian. So r cos theta is x and r sin theta is y. So this is a line. Cartesian equation is 4x plus 5y equals to 3. It means y square equals to x. Line. This is a parabola, this is a line. Then there are three situations. First one, line intersects the conic, as we know that, in 2 points. Line touches the conic like this. Then this is tangent. This is secant, intersecting the curve in 2 points. In this case, we find AB chord. AB is the length of the chord. And if length of the chord AB is 0, then it is turned into tangent. Third case, line is away, neither intersecting nor touching. Then how to find the condition? If we simplify these two equations, then we find y square equals to x, y equals to x. We find x square equals to x square minus x equals to 0, x minus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 0 and 1. Therefore, line intersects the curve in two real points, namely 0, 0 and 1, 1. X is 0, then y is 0, x is 1, then y is 1. Look at this equation. कैसी equation है? Quadratic. We have done several questions on this type of particle. If line intersects the curve, it gives two distinct roots. Means b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Equal roots, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Imaginary roots, b square minus 4ac less than 0. The similar concept is applied in polar. If I say condition of tangency, y square equals to 4ax and y equals to mx plus c. This is parabola and this is line. So what to do? We eliminate x, so it is mx plus c whole square equals to 4ax with b square minus 4ac equals to c. This is fundamental. This we have done. Now the similar thing is to be applied in polar. So what is the equation of conic in polar? L upon R equals 1 plus E cos theta. This we have done. And what is the equation of line in polar? That is L upon R equals to A cos theta plus B sin theta. Here it is, you can see. This is the equation of line. Means it is AX plus BY equals to L. What is that? समझ में आ रहा कुछ क्या हो रहा है? जो हमने काम कार्टेशियन में किया था वो काम किस में करना है? पोलर में. कर्व और लाइन दोनों का सिचुएशन. इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ये है कि लाइन किसी कर्व को टच कब करती है, वो टेंजेंट कब बनती है. वी वांट टू फाइंड दैट पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन. सो व्हेन we consider parabola, this line, we apply the condition, then if you remember, we find C equals to A by M. In case of y square equals to 4ax and the line is y equals to mx plus c. This condition is very important in Cartesian standard equation. So if I say y equals to mx plus c touches y square equals to 4ax, then what will happen? The c means this constant equals a means from this upon m means this one. So there are three arbitrary constant a, m and c. So this is the relationship. In the similar way, if I consider x square plus y square equals to a square, this is circle, and y equals to mx plus c, this is the line. So condition of tangency, what is the working? क्या करोगे? क्या करोगे? एलिमिनेट करोगे. किसको? y को या x को. If we eliminate y, then we find mx plus c whole square plus with b square minus 4ac equals to 0. When we simplify this, we find the answer c square equals to a square times 1 plus m square. What is this? जब आप इसको सॉल्व करते हैं तो a is the radius of the circle, m slope of the line, c y intercept of the line. We will do the same thing in case of conic and the line L by R equals to A cos theta plus B sin theta. So let us begin this. किसको एलिमिनेट किया था यहाँ पर, y को। मैंने इस वाले कांस्टेंट को एज इट इज रखा है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। सो लेट अस एलिमिनेट थीटा and we try to find the equation in terms of r. So let us see. This is first, second. From first and second we get L upon R equals to A. The value of cos theta from this, that is L upon R minus 1. L upon R minus 1 upon A plus B sin theta, that is under root 1 minus cos square theta. So the value of cos, that is 1 by E L by R minus 1. It is. Let us simplify. थोड़ा इसको सिंपल बना लेते हैं। L by R की जगह मैं इसको 1 लिख देता हूँ, be better. Let us see. So here it is. All right, 1. One upon R. One upon R equals to AL ER minus A by E plus B times 1 minus 1 upon E square L by R minus 1 whole square. Transpose the term. 1 upon R plus A by E minus AL upon E equals to B by E root E square minus L minus R whole square. Look at this. E square LCM. So it will be E square, and here it is R square. Okay. L minus R. नहीं? B by ER root E square minus whole square. Squaring both sides. कहाँ पर ER ये तो ठीक है ना? नहीं, 1/r यहाँ से ठीक लिखा है मैंने। ए बाई ई कौन सा लिखा है? ए बाई ई, ये ठीक है। या ओके। E r LCM, so it is e square r square d to the square. It is r plus ar minus al. What is this? E square r square is cancelled out. So here it is 1 plus a into r minus al whole square equals to b square times a square r square minus l minus r whole square. कहाँ पर? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एलसीएम न्यूमरेटर में। अच्छा ये r है, ओके ओके, दिस इज r. ओके, इसको हटा दो. What is this? कांस्टेंट क्या है देखो, e कांस्टेंट है, a कांस्टेंट, l कांस्टेंट, वेरिएबल कौन है? केवल r. तो r में क्वाड्रेटिक बनेगी ये, तो जो लाइन दे रखी है वो क्या बन रही है? टेंजेंट. टेंजेंट कब बनेगी? b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इक्वल्स टू 0. So this is a minus al whole square plus r square a square plus 2ra times e minus al equals to b square e square r square minus l square minus r square plus 2lr. Just open this. b square, this is e square minus 1 into r square plus 2lr minus l square. b square e square minus 1 r square plus 2lr minus l square. L square T square. Now just transpose the terms and this one. So R square is common. What is left? A square. Here it is minus of this, I write plus B square, interchange the sign. So it is 1 minus E square. It इंटरचेंज करोगे नेगेटिव आएगा, ट्रांसपोज कर दो इसको, इट विल बी पॉजिटिव. Then terms involving r. So here it is r times 2a times e minus al, and here it is minus 2l b square. This is the coefficient of r. Then terms without r, so here it is this only, plus e minus al whole square, and transpose this term, so it is plus l square b square equals to 0. Now look at this. This is the quadratic equation in terms of r. What is the condition of tangency? Roots are equal, that means b square minus 4ac. So when we apply this condition, we find the particular relationship. This is quadratic in R. So the line will be tangent if the roots are equal, therefore b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Then you can simplify it. Similarly, you remember we have done r equals to 2a cos theta. What does it represent? Circle. This is the equation of circle, polar form. And if I consider a particular line, suppose I say L upon R equals to a cos theta plus b sin theta. This is the equation of line, polar. R cos theta is x, R sin theta is y. So Cartesian will be ax plus by equals to L. So this article is done with the help of concept of quadratic equation. In the similar way, he just eliminates cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? It will be r upon 2a. So you write here r upon 2a, and instead of sin theta, you write root 1 minus cos square theta. So again, this will be reduced in terms of r. So you can find the condition of tangency. So in case of conic or in case of circle. Yesterday, you were explained the 4 basic forms of conic. L upon R equals to 1 plus E cos theta. If we consider 1 minus E cos theta, then orientation will be different. It is not only cos theta. We have 4 standard form. It is 1 plus minus E cos theta, and L upon R equals to 1 plus minus E sin theta. Generally, we consider 1 plus E cos theta. But remember, these are also the equation of conic. Okay, so if instead of cos theta, if we have sin theta, then doesn't mean that it is not the equation of conic. This is also the equation of conic. Yes, in terms of cos theta, then if we convert it into Cartesian, we find y square equals to something. Now, in terms of sin theta, yesterday I explained it, it is in terms of x square something. But the common part, the focus is always at pole. That means the origin. And axis, axis means a line which divides the conic into two equal parts. That is the initial line. Thank you. Thank you so much.